Review hub. Specifications. Type, crawler tractor. Brand name, Huayee. Rated power, 24 HP. Applicable industries, home use. Engine brand, other. Core components, engine. Warranty of core components, 1 year. Video outgoing inspection, provided. Machinery test report, provided. Key selling points, multifunctional. Warranty, 1 year. Place of origin, China. Year, 2024. Certification, CE, EPA, ISO. Condition, new. Showroom location, China. Origin, Mainland China. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Check description below for product link.